Hasta la vista, baby.
Yeah, this camera's got good footage.
It's coming over in like 20 minutes.
That's cool. What
That
the
means
fuck? Whatever.
Watch, he stands up, that thing falls out. People are like, what
You're
the
an
fuck?
idiot. I was waiting for him to do that. Goodness.
I was playing with it.
How am I an idiot if I didn't even try?
You're naturally an idiot.
Shut the fuck up.
Are we still?
Alright, so we seriously going to Regal? Ah!
You can suck my left nut.
No, I don't want to suck anything.
Let's go.
Get away from my ass.
How do you zoom?
Hold on.
It's not working.